Yes, good morning first class children. So are you all ready for the class? Can I start my class now? Okay, so yesterday I had given the hard words and I had sent in the message to, isn't it? Have you done the practice children? Please keep on doing the practice. Whatever the teachers are sending the notes, you have to send even my notes too. Okay? So మీరందరూ వర్క్ కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి తప్పకుండా క్లాస్ వర్క్ నోట్లో. Today I am going to give you the fill in the blank, but don't write now. You just go for the. We will go for the oral drilling practice. Okay, fine. So let me start with the fill in the blanks. Okay. What is the lesson name? Yes, food, clothes and shelter. The name of the lesson is food, clothes and shelter. Okay. So you have to concentrate in this lesson and you have to understand. మీకు అందరికి లెసన్ అర్థమైందా? నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసిన లెసన్. ఓకే, సో let me start with the fill in the blanks. Okay, so first one, fill in the blanks. What is this? Fill in the blanks. Okay, let me we'll go only for the oral telling practice children, and later on I will send it in this message. Okay, first only for the oral telling. This is we get food from, we get VWEVGET get, we get food from dash and dash, plants and animals. We get food from plants and animals. A-N-D and animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. Okay, so this is the first one. Second blank, we get food from plants and animals. Okay, the next second blank is we should avoid eating which food? I told you na, junk food. We should not eat junk food. We get the second one is we wear cotton clothes when we feel hot. Okay, we wear cotton clothes, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton clothes. We wear cotton clothes. We wear cotton clothes when we feel hot, isn't it? Whenever you feel hot, then only you will wear the cotton clothes, isn't it? When we feel hot. Okay, second one. Third one, we wear woolen clothes when we feel cold. Yes, we wear woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes when we feel cold. When we feel cold. C-O-L-D, cold. Okay, we wear woolen clothes when we feel cold. So first one, we get food from dash and dash, plants and animals. Second one, we wear cotton clothes when we feel hot. We wear woolen clothes when we feel cold. Dash keep us safe. Which will keep us safe? Now you should have to give the for this answer. Okay, now see, listen here. We should avoid which type of food? I told you, junk food, isn't it? You have to avoid eating the junk food. First we will go for the fourth one. We should avoid eating junk food. Come on, fourth one. We should avoid eating. We should avoid eating junk food. Eating dash food, E-T-I-N-G, eating junk food, J-U-N-K, junk food. Okay, this should not be eaten for regular purpose. Okay, eat always dash food, healthy food. Eat always which food? Healthy food. Spell the word of healthy. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. Eat always healthy food. Eat always healthy food. Okay children, the next one, sixth one. So get ready for the sixth blank. Okay, now the next one. So what is about the clothes we had completed. Now about the rainy season. Which type of we wear? Waterproof clothes. When we wear the waterproof, we wear waterproof clothes. Sorry, we wear waterproof clothes. Waterproof during rainy season, isn't it? Waterproof clothes when it rains. We wear waterproof clothes when it rains. Okay. Okay, right. We wear waterproof clothes when it rains. Okay, children. The next one. Seventh one. Now we had completed 6. We should avoid eating junk food. Eat always healthy food. We wear waterproof clothes when it rains. Okay. The next one is about the shelter. Shelter we had completed, related that blank. Okay. The next one is we will go for the we wear woolen clothes when we feel warm. That I had given, no, that is during. Okay, you write this one. A house gives us dash shelter. A house gives us shelter. Shall we write now? Seventh one. A house gives us shelter. Okay, a house gives us shelter. Is it clear, children? A house gives us shelter. Okay, so 7 fill in the blanks. Okay, this is enough for you. Then I will give the other bit, one more bit in the text message about the pictures. Okay, now for this is enough today. 7 fill in the blanks I am going to send you in the message. Now fourth one, we should avoid eating junk food. Eat always healthy food. We wear waterproof clothes when it rains. A house gives us shelter. Is it clear, children? So today teacher had given only fill in the blanks, and tomorrow teacher will give you the question answers or either other objective type bits. Okay, children, is it clear? So you should write very neat handwriting. Whatever the teacher I am sending the message or notes or any worksheet like pictures, drawing, you have to do it, children. Okay, definitely we will give the marks for you, isn't it? So what is your duty? Your duty is to complete my notes. Okay, మంచిగా నీట్గా రాయండి అందరూ. ఏం అంటే డర్టీగా క్లమ్జీగా ఉండలేకుండా, క్లమ్జీ అంటే ఏంటి, దగ్గరకు రాయడము, స్క్రిబ్లింగ్ హంటింగ్ రాయడం, ఇవన్నీ ఉండకూడదు. ఓకే, సో అవాయిడ్ రైటింగ్ స్క్రిబ్లింగ్ అండ్ clumsy handwriting. Okay, so I hope my children will write very good handwriting. You will show surely very good performance to your teachers, isn't it? Okay, fine. So tomorrow we will start with the next session and with the next new exercise. Thank you, children, and be safe all.